Hi everyone, my name is Miss Rothrock and I am the Career Development Coordinator at Parkwood High School. This video is a chance for you to explore some of the program options we have here at Parkwood High School. We have everything from health science to agriculture to automotive, so whatever you're interested in, there's always something here for you. If you are interested in something we don't offer, you can also travel to other schools in our Academies program. So for more information, check out ucpscte.org and enjoy this video.
Hello everyone, I'm Seth Fortune and I teach Agricultural Mechanics 1. I also teach Agricultural Mechanics 2, small engines. We're actually in the Parkwood High School shop for Ag Mechanics. I'm actually over here speaking to you from one of our MIG welders. We also have 10 what we refer to as stick welders. If you the camera will show you, we've got 10 different bays and all of those are stick welders where we learn to weld in this class. We also do fabrication not only with metal with the welding, but we also do some wood products. In the second level class, after you've had Ag Mech 1, we also provide Ag Mech 2, which is where we work on small engines specific to Briggs & Stratton. So we do diagnostics as well as just the troubleshooting and that sort of thing. So really excited for you guys to come to Parkwood High School. Once again, it's Ag Mech, Agricultural Mechanics 1, and my name is Seth Fortune.
Hi, my name is Kelsey Hill. I am one of the agricultural teachers here at Parkwood. Some of the classes I teach are Animal Science 1, Animal Science 2 Small Animal, and Animal Science 2 Large Animal, and also Horticulture 1. Some of the things you'll learn in my class is anatomy of animals, so external and internal anatomy. You'll also learn how to properly take care of animals and manage a farm. And then in horticulture, you'll learn about planting plants, so could be vegetables or flowering plants. You'll also learn how to run a garden and run a greenhouse.
Hi, I'm Terrence Gittens, CTE teacher here at Parkwood High School. I teach career management and entrepreneurship. This is my first year here at Parkwood High School. I'm also the head football coach, and it's been a crazy time here at Parkwood as far as the pandemic going on. The students have been somewhat engaging and doing some really good work. I'm proud to be here, happy to be here. Go Pack.
My name is Mr. Lemaster. I teach business, which covers a lot of different subjects, but I mostly teach financial planning, principles of business. I did teach personal finance, accounting, and mostly what I teach is handling money. Everyone is an adult, especially even you guys, pay taxes, get insurance, have to budget money, or at least you should, invest, and that's what we learn in this class. It's very important because it's very important to get a good job, but you could have a great job and still not be real good with your money. And if you watch the news or know, I'm sure all of you guys know athletes or celebrities that make a ton of money but end up broke. Well, I'm trying to teach you the skills and I can't really teach the discipline, that's on your part, but I'm going to teach you the skills that if you pretty much follow the common sense things that I teach, you'll do a pretty good job. And I think it's a really important subject that I teach, primarily financial planning, and I hope you take my course.
Hi, I'm Catherine Stout. I teach Sports Marketing 1 and 2 and Marketing here at Parkwood High School. In Sports 1, we explore career opportunities within the sports and event marketing industry, and in Sports 2, we get a little more into the sports management and administration of sports as a business. And in marketing, we learn a lot about careers in the marketing field, anything from product management to brand management to advertising. We have a great time. We do a lot of group work and projects, and you get to express some creativity throughout both Sports 1 and 2 and marketing. And I look forward to seeing you.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Hoobler. I'm a teacher at Parkwood High School, and I teach Culinary 1 Honors and Food and Nutrition 1. These courses, we'll start with Food and Nutrition 1. We learn the basics of food and nutrition, basically different baking techniques and cooking techniques, food and safety and sanitation focus, and also on nutrition. And it's a base first level course. And then for Culinary 1 Honors, we also we take it up a notch, and we learn, our focus is on not only preparing food in the home, but now preparing food to serve others. And so we do a strong focus with food and safety and sanitation with a Serve Safe program that we teach. And then we learn different baking skills and garde-manger, which is cold food production. We focus on soups and sauces and breakfast foods. Also how to adjust recipes and cook for different groups of people, large groups, small groups, and some culinary math, more of a focus on that. And so in Culinary 1, we also make food and we sell it in our school, and we learn the business aspect of food production. So we have a lot of fun. We have 4 kitchens in our classroom, and we do a lot of hands-on experiences that actually emphasize what we're learning in the classroom.
Hi guys, my name is Miss Rivers, and I am one of your family and consumer sciences teachers here at Parkwood High School. I teach interior design, child development, and apparel. In interior design, you will learn how to create and design a room. In apparel, you will learn about the history of apparel, famous designers such as Coco Chanel and Christian Dior, and learn how to sew. In child development, you will take home an infant simulator. Get ready for a year that's jam-packed with fun and creativities. I can't wait to see you.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Michael. I teach health sciences here at Parkwood High. Health sciences are a group of classes for kids who think they might want to go into the medical field. I'm actually a nurse. I'm a registered nurse. So if you've ever thought about nursing, being a doctor, athletic trainer, physical therapy, there's just a ton of jobs in the medical field. Health Science 1 is basically like anatomy and physiology with some first aid thrown in there, and Health Science 2 is a lot more. So it's we go a little bit deeper into the anatomy and physiology, and then we also learn how to take blood pressures. You get CPR certified, learn about health insurance, which was my first adult panic attack. So they're great classes if you've ever thought about going into the medical world.
Hey, I'm Mr. Leaks. I'm an automotive teacher here at Parkwood High School, and I'd love to have you come to my class because you learn about things like using an air compressor. We got a floor jack, got all our tools, pliers, different kind of pliers. We got creepers. This is what you lay down up under the vehicle. Got another air compressor, and then we got all the toolboxes. We got our jack stands right here. When we jack a vehicle up, we put this in up under there so you can go up under the car. And then we got our engines here that we play around with.
Hey, my name is Michael Medlin. I teach construction trades here at Parkwood High School. I teach carpentry, introduction to construction, and the HVAC classes. What you'll learn in this class is basic skills needed to pursue a career in anything construction, whether it's electrical trades, plumbing, carpentry, HVAC. We learn some really basic skills, some things that you're gonna have to get a job in this industry.
Hi, I'm Amanda Mims. I teach at Parkwood High School, and I am the instructor for the Clean Energy Technology classes, which are part of the Clean Energy Technology Academy here at Parkwood High School. In the Clean Energy Technology, we look at different sources of renewable energy and clean energy, those that are not going to release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And so we look at different sources, nuclear energy, we look at electricity in general. We have geothermal energy, solar. We also do wind turbines, and so it's a project-based class in which you actually do hands-on project-based learning, and you're actually creating things that are, being used by industries to try and reduce our use of fossil fuels.
My name is Gabriel Oprea. I teach Robotics 1 and 2, and I hope it's exciting to learn a lot about robots, about programming, and of course combining hardware and software to do projects that can help us. And also our creativity can be expressed, because we can have very different machines that will do tasks that we like, and we think that they're important for us.
Hey guys, my name is Miss Boyce, and I teach AP Computer Science, Microsoft Excel, and programming here at Parkwood. Some things you will learn in these courses is how to plan and code your own unique programs. So we'll work on a lot of different projects throughout the semester, ranging anywhere from a simplistic calculator to a way more intricate, full-on adventure game. So you really get to build on your critical thinking and creativity skills by making some really fun and unique programs.